Your question is, the diagram shows rhombus ABCD. M is the midpoint of BD. Now we have to find the coordinates of M. B is find the value of A, B and C. C, find the perimeter of rhombus. D, find the area of rhombus. Now, so how we will find out? See this. So this is your rhombus. They have given A is A, 1. B is 8, 2. D is 4, 10. C is B, C. And M is here. That is the midpoint of BD. So first they have told you to find out the coordinate of M. So what is your, in the section formula there is a midpoint formula also. What is that? That is nothing but x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So here what we will do, just we will take any one of that for x1 plus y. So what you will get? X is equal to 8 plus 4 by 2 and y is equal to 2 plus 10 by 2. So this is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. And here again 12 by 2 is 6. Therefore, the coordinate of M is what? 6, 6. So this is your 6, 6. Next, what we have to do? Find the value of A, B and C. They have told you. How we will find it out? So what we will do? First we will find out the value of A. So we know that rhombus is nothing but it contains all the sides equal. So we will take the distance formula for this and this. We will get it. So here what we will do, see this distance formula. So we will take first AD is root over, formula is what? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we will take like that. So a minus 4. A minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 10 whole square. So this is your AD. Next comes your AB. AB. So what is that? A minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. So next what we will do? Just we will do squaring of that. That means equating both sides. I mean this is equal to this. So we will do what? AD is equal to AB. And here also we will do the squaring of both sides. That means this square root will go out when we do squaring. So here the value will, what will come? A minus 4 whole square is what? A square minus 8A plus 16. And this will be 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Minus 9 square is 81. That is equal to, now here see this, A minus 8 whole square. So you will get A square minus 16A plus 64. and here 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 plus 1. You can see both sides what happened. A square and a square is there. It will go out. Now bring this to this side and the values to this side. What we will get? Minus 8a plus 16a is 8a. That is equal to, here it is 65 and here it is what? 97. 97 is here and this is 65. That means you will get what? 65 minus 97. So what you will get? 8a is equal to minus, now 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. So a is what? Minus 32 by 8, that is minus 4. A is minus 4. This is minus 4. Now we will find out B comma C. So A is minus 4 comma 1. And now we have to find out B comma C. How we will find out? By this formula only. So now this will become x1 comma y1. This will become x2 comma y2. And this is your x. So how it will be? See that x is 6. 6 is equal to x1 is minus 4 plus b by 2. Cross multiply, you will get 12 is equal to minus 4 plus b. Therefore, we can say b is nothing but 16. Go for y now, this one. So what it will be? 6 is equal to 1 plus c by 2. Cross multiply it, you will get what? 1 plus c is equal to 12. So therefore c is equal to 12 minus 1, that is 11. So B is 16, C is 11, A is minus 4. Like this we have to do it. Next, find the perimeter of a rhombus. We have to find out the perimeter now. How we will find out the perimeter? We know the coordinate of this into 4 by the distance formula. What we do? Now perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but what? 4 into this square root. The distance formula of this. That is what? Minus 4 minus 4. That is what? Minus 8 whole square. Plus 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 whole square. That is equal to, we can say, 4 into root over 64 plus 81. That is equal to 4 into root over 5 and 145. 145. 4 into root over 145. Can we find out the factors of 145? We can try. So 145 factors. So here it will be 5. This will be 2 and 9. So this is prime number. No. So that means the perimeter is what? 4 root 145 unit. Now, next we will find out what? Find the area of the rhombus. So what is that? So just we will write their formula. Area. Area is product of two diagonals divided by 2 is the area. So here what we will do, just first we will find out BD, then we will find out AC. BD by a distance formula, what it will be? 8 minus 4 is 4 square, root over 4 square, plus next 2 minus 10 is minus 8 square. This is equal to, we can say, is 4 square is 16 plus minus 8 square is 64. So that is equal to, we can say, is root 80. 80. So 80 is nothing but what? 16 into 5. And 16 is the perfect square of 4. So therefore your answer is what? 4 root 5. 4 root 5 unit is your BD. Next we will find out AC. So here what we will do, just we will write the value of B and C also. So B is what? 16, 11. This is your 16, 11. Now, so this is your AC. That is your root under, now minus 4 minus 16 is minus 20. Minus 20 square. Plus 1 minus 11. 1 minus 11 is minus 10. Minus 10 square. That is equal to, now, so how much it is? Minus 20 square is 400. Plus minus 10 square is 100. That is equal to root over 500. This is equal to, we can say, what? 5 into 100. 100 is the perfect square of 10. Therefore, we will get 10 root 5 unit. Now we will substitute both values in your area. So therefore, what we will get? Area is equal to 4 root 5 into 10 root 5 by 2. So this is equal to 4 into 10 is 40. 40 into root 5 is 5. 40 into 5 is 200. 200 by 2. That is equal to, we can say, is 100 unit square is your answer. Like this we have to